Welcome to our newest listing in Ellipse. Ellipse is situated in the heart of Waterfall, and this is truly a one of a kind. You're never going to find another one like this. This is a 4-bedroom apartment, so it's basically like a double apartment, and it offers 4 bedrooms. It's got a private enclosed garden. It's truly one of a kind. I was very excited to see this, and I'm sure if you know Ellipse, you're going to be just as excited as me. So as you enter, you've got your entrance hall, which is very nice, and you can put some nice flowers there. So when your guests come in, the house looks beautiful. Okay, so bedroom number 1. This is one of your guest bedrooms. It leads out to a little private patio and decent in size. And then you've also got an ensuite with a shower. Then over here, you've got storage. We're not going to go in there, but it's just a little storage room, so you can pack everything in there. Beautiful open plan. This is really, really nice. We've just closed the door so that you can't hear the wind. So we've closed the door, but we will go outside now. I think we'll do the bedrooms and then we'll come and talk about the living areas. So let's have a look at bedroom number 2. Again, nice and spacious. You've got built-in cupboards. You've got the door that takes you outside to like a little patio area, as well as you've on into the garden. And then this ensuite it's got a full ensuite, so you've got the bathtub and the shower. So 2 of the rooms have baths, which is quite nice. This apartment is very unique. So this is your 3rd bedroom, and this is the main bedroom. And again, you've got doors that take you outside. You've got your walk-in closet, so lots of cupboard space. That's your walk-in closet. Obviously you've got the TV, and then again, full ensuite bathroom. And obviously what you are getting is one of a kind. There won't be another unit like this ever. Then down the passage, you've got your 4th bedroom. Again, decent in size, and again, it obviously opens up. So it's quite nice that all the bedrooms open up. So you can open up the curtains if you wanted to, have views of your garden. So the 4th bedroom doesn't necessarily have its own ensuite. However, it's got a bathroom next door with a shower. But this also doubles up as your guest toilet. So it's got dual use. And then you've got your shower. So basically all the bedrooms have their own bathrooms. You don't have to go into another room and share. You've also got an air conditioning in the living area, which will cool down the entire apartment. And this is obviously your open plan living areas. I love the way they've done it. They've done the lounge over here. They don't have a TV as such, but obviously you could put a TV if you wanted to. Then you've got your dining area and beautiful, spacious open plan kitchen. So usually you'd only have the kitchen, but they've actually put this island here as well for additional storage, and it counts as a breakfast nook. So that's very, very nice. And then all Smeg appliances. You've got your integrated fridge and freezer. You've got your microwave, your oven, your electric stove, and then you've also got your integrated washing machine as well as dishwasher. So really nice, spacious kitchen. It's apartment living, but it kind of feels like you're in a house. And then obviously your doors open up, and it leads you to your covered patio area as well as your own private garden. Yes, you heard that correctly. They even have their own private garden. So very unique. And then obviously just to chat about a few things that Ellipse has to offer, which we'll go and have a quick look at. You've got 2 swimming pools. You've got a restaurant called Olives and Plates. You've got a gym. You've got braai areas. There's gardens for the kids to go and play in. It's really a lovely environment. It's lock up and go, and it's convenience. There are shops. You're across the road from Mall of Africa. You're literally across the road from Netcare Hospital. You've got Waterfall Corner Shopping Centre up the road. So you are literally in the heart of Waterfall, and everything is very close by. So this is definitely a must-see, and we'll wait for you guys to give us a call, and we can't wait to show you this apartment. Let's go outside. Okay, so we're heading outside, and like I said, you've got this lovely covered area as well as a spacious garden, and it's all enclosed. You are walking distance to the well, obviously you're walking distance, but you are literally across from the gym, from the pool, from the restaurant. So you walk out your gate, you walk across, and you have this all on your doorstep, literally on your doorstep. But you still have a lot of privacy being on this side. So this apartment is truly a must-see. Please give us a call. We cannot wait to show you this one.